Compass West. It's an unusual property in the fact that it's a 2-bedroom bungalow with a further 2-bedroom annex added to it. So you've got 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, and you've also got 2 kitchens. Actually, one of the bedrooms in the annex is en suite as well as having a main bathroom. So there's quite a lot here. You've got solar panels, you've got underfloor heating with the air source heat pump, as well as various other electrical heating systems. It's definitely worth a look if you're looking for somewhere with 2 small families, or bringing mum or dad, or you just want somewhere for your children, maybe before they set up home on their own. Lots and lots of options with this one, and it's in a very nice location, easy access to the A30 in the village of Tregadillett.